The water gun can douse the fire. Firefighter Kiki sets off. Firefighter Kiki, this is the building that is on fire! Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when a house is on fire. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete. Let's fill the fire truck with water. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect the fire hydrant. Turn the hose to tighten it. Which of these pipes can be connected? Great! Connect the rest of the pipes. Not here. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose.
Move the red switch to raise the cutout.
There is an emergency call for help. What shall we do, Firefighter Kiki? Kiki, the baby foxes climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them. The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. Firefighter Kiki, the baby foxes are on this tree. Save them quickly. Miss Maymay, don't be afraid. Firefighter Kiki will act immediately. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. We have to save 5 baby foxes. Let's look for them again. Slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. Tap the spider web to destroy it. The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high.